Hi friends, today I'll show you how to lock any folder with a password without installing any software. Let's get started. First, open the folder where you want to create your private folder. Then right-click, New Text Document. Open the text file and paste the following code inside. Important: change the password in this line to whatever you want. After pasting the code, click File, Save As. Name the file something like lock.bat. Make sure to select Save as Type. All files, then click Save. Run the lock file. A new folder named Locker will appear. Put all your private files inside it. Run lock again, type Y, and the folder will disappear. To unlock it, run the file again and enter your password. Try it out and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I share useful PC tips and tricks like this every week.